Welcome to Tech Friday, the podcast about this week's hottest tech insights, hosted by a team of technology experts from Zfort Group. We share exclusive content on artificial intelligence, big data, AR, VR, and blockchain, and watch how these emerging technologies transform businesses and lives. We'll be sharing exclusive content received from closed tech communities, paid mail shots, other exclusive podcasts, and mass media.
AI is taught to generate pickup lines. Have the results please scientists? Hello, this is Tech Friday again. It's great to have you with us. Today we'll talk about the challenge of teaching AI relationships, or at least generating some pickup lines. A recent scientific experience showed us how AI works on the GPT-3 model in terms of relationship building. It's been almost 10 years since we were having fun asking Alexa and Siri. Smart assistants are already used not only to perform their core functions, but also to being a fully fledged conversation buddy. Now, with the help of AI, scientists decided to go further and teach it the art of flirting. Depending on the ultimate purpose of communication, the technology generates some answers as well as pickup phrases. Let's see what came out of it and see if the scientists were satisfied. The main idea belongs to Janelle Shane, research scientist from Colorado, who implemented it into reality with the help of GPT-3. Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 is the third generation of the GPT language models created by OpenAI. The main difference that sets GPT-3 apart from previous models is its size. 175 billion parameters makes it 17 times larger than GPT-2 and about 10 times than Microsoft's Turing NLG model. As of September 2020, it is the largest and most advanced language model in the world. According to the developers, the model can be used to solve any problems in English. How did Shane handle that? Firstly, the article template was fed to 4 different GPT-3 program variants, which were supposed to enhance the starter file with generated predictions. Some example pickup lines were from Tinder DM screenshots and sound like, "I'm losing my voice from all the screaming your hotness is causing me to do." Another one says, "I will briefly summarize the plot to Back to the Future 2 for you." Let's start with the first AI, Da Vinci and its variants. Shane herself characterized it as the largest and most competent of the 4 AIs. Da Vinci's pickup lines bordered on cute ridicule, ice-humping sentences, and a bit of intricate phrases, issuing such gems: "I love you. I don't care if you're a doggo in a trench coat. You have a lovely face. Can I put it on an air freshener? I want to keep your smell close to me always. Wait, this beanie hat. Is it fashionable? You look like Jesus if he were a butler in a Russian mansion." Curie, the second candidate, which is not so powerful a piece of software, created some poetic, mysterious game of words. The best variants included: "Your eyes are like 2 rainbows and a rainbow of eyes. I can't help but stare. I like the ice cream. You can keep me in the freezer for a while, but then I melt. My name is a complicated combination of 45 degrees of forward motion, 25 degrees of leftward drift, 75 degrees of upward acceleration, an infinity, and that is the point where my love for you stops. Hey, my name is John Smith. Will you sit on my bread box while I cook? Or is there some kind of speed limit on that thing?" Babbage, our next pipelines maker, appeared more sophisticated in comparison with previous AIs. This program produced such an interesting piece of arts in the pickup world. "You're looking good today. Want snacks? It is urgent that you become a professional athlete. I love you, I love you, I love you, to the confines of death and disease. The legions of earth rejoices. Woe be to the world. I wouldn't change a thing." The last one, Ada, gave the smallest number of options, which looked more like email headings. Here are the examples. Body softening pads. 2017 Rugboat 2-ton necktie shirt. And Future Pop-Tarts by Tracy Thorn. To complicate the task further and bring it all to a single conclusion, the scientist gave Da Vinci the task of generating pipelines based on this idea. Post-human AIs that were using them to flirt. And that's how it turned out. "Hey baby, Are your schematics compatible with this protocol? What's the definition of a femtometer? Because I'd like to run it through your Quark 10 times.